This is Ray with Ray's Engines. Right here we have a 572. I'm just here to tell you, this guy supposedly assembled his engine, rebuilt it, or just put a cam change and then put the intake back on. Change out the springs. But as you can see, it's lifted up. I already took off all the intake bolts. And supposedly he put so much silicone on it right now that it's basically glued together right now, and as you can see, it's lifted off the ground. All the weight is on the intake being pulled up, and it still doesn't come up. If you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share this video and show everybody what not to do. You put silicone on your water ports, yes, on your water ports, and you put silicone right in the front instead of using a gasket, which I understand that. But do not put silicone on the runners. As you can see, there's so much silicone on the runners. Do you know what fuel does to silicone? It eats it up. That silicone is going to go inside your intake valves, inside your engine, and it's going to ruin your engine up. It's going to tear it up. Don't do what this guy did here. I've been at it for about 30 minutes just messing with the intake, trying to take the intake off. As I said, all the bolts are off. But he's got so much silicone on here that it's literally holding it together right now. I even took off the head bolts off of one head to try to remove it that way. It won't even budge. So what I did is put two bolts at the very bottom right now. I'm going to keep trying to take the silicone as much as I can. I'm going to try to keep digging in the front. I can't get in here because it'll break the intake. As you know, aluminum intake, you keep prying on it, it's going to chip it and it's going to break it. Don't do this again. I mean, I'm just letting you know, guys. You don't have to put silicone on your intake, on your runners, just on your water ports. This is uncalled for. So if he did this, no telling what else he did from the bottom. So again, this is a 572. This is one of those crate engines, but this is not from GM that did this. This guy literally took the intake off, changed out the cam, put a bigger cam in it, changed out the springs, took the heads off, put the springs on it, put different gaskets in it, and now hopefully he didn't put silicone on the head gaskets as well. Again, I'll keep you updated on this one. But as you can see, all the weight is on the intake and it's pulling it up right now. And it still won't come off. So again, if you're not a subscriber, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Share this video and show everyone else what somebody does. And I'm sure you run across on this too as well. I'm sure you've run across an engine that you got from somebody else. And it happens to be like this. So again, thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.